So, you want to start a YouTube channel dedicated to tips and tricks. Well, let me tell you, it's not as easy as it may seem. You see, the key to success on YouTube is consistency. You need to upload regularly and engage with your audience. But it's not just about quantity, it's also about quality. Make sure your videos are well produced and provide valuable information to your viewers. Research your topics thoroughly and make sure you're offering something unique that sets you apart from other channels. Another important aspect of running a successful YouTube channel is promoting your videos. Share them on social media, collaborate with other YouTubers, and engage with your audience in the comments section. Building a community around your channel is crucial for long-term success. And don't forget about search engine optimization. Make sure you're using relevant keywords in your video titles, descriptions, and tags to help your videos rank higher in search results. Lastly, be patient. Building a successful YouTube channel takes time and effort. Don't get discouraged if you don't see immediate results. Keep creating content, engaging with your audience, and promoting your videos, and eventually, you'll see your channel grow. Good luck.